Shout out to Kentucky Welding Institute.
Every moment is precious, is that what life is to you? They tell me. Every motive intense, is that what you do? They're singing the same old shit. They're singing, trying to see where you fit. What's your motive, intentional for the omen of death? So what you holding, evaporation and knowing your breath? How you control it, we hear it when you ain't on it. An inspirational moment in depth, left for the hopeless. And yes, I know you wanted a perfect world, but we lead to the kids. What you read to women, teach them every day that we live. Is it bullshit and knowledge when they see where they live? Every choice affects the future, just believe they can win. Is it in you? Confusion of a still truth? You looking through the looking glass, the hours passing, fucking with you. Every second counts, development of every ounce of blood in your system. Are you ready for your mission? No doubt, or doubt surrounds you. The heaven ain't who bounds you. Deliverance from the evil Lord. They got she found you. We march into the sound true. We all die. And the separation leaving you breathless, even a strong cry. Now are you down to ride or living it for the dollar signs? You should have thought about it, inspiration's always live and direct from the city where we already high. Thanks to the woo, we bring it to you, revolutionize. Important every moment is affected, fuck a dollar sign. It's about the lives affected when you tell no lies. See it with your own eyes, that's how you save your life. Everybody has a story if you wanna save your time. Believe it when you feel the truth. You see it every moment, love is with you. Every day, every night, every moment I believe in you. If you see what is right, you would only wanna speak the truth.
The world slowly turned like a blunt that slowly burned. Overdosed on knowledge, but enough I'll never learn. Gotta get it when I'm in it, no losing, just winning. I try to live right, not blinded by those sin and that style of life that they living in. Got them facing the dividend, revved up with adrenaline. Haters mad, I belittle them, they middlemen. Acting adolescent like little kids. Show respect to give respect, that's how it is. Living in the world today. Every moment's another breath you take. So for a second, don't wait, just live your life, it's great. Be a monster to conquer, breaking down all hell's gates. I got no time to be fake, I'm on the grind to shine. I'm not walking no plank, I'm the captain, I operate this tank. Destroying anything in its way, of course I pray. Death's after me, so here I stay and remain. So just let the music take your way, cause I'm driven with power, only given an hour to devour. Give me the sweet virgin beat so I can deflower. I crush weak MCs like cowards, destined for doom. I'm top secret like the dark side of the moon. I shine like the nebula gloom, absorbing all light like a black hole in the room. In life you never knowing where you go, so follow your road or lose control. The world's bitter and cold, ready to collect souls, you know. Best to be destined for where you go.
Believe it when you feel the truth. If you see it every moment, love is with you. Every day, every night, every moment I believe in you. If you see what is right, you would only wanna speak the truth.
So we're over here bending all the straps for the competition. We got somebody in first place for the running, and we're gonna see if anybody else can beat the guy on the running. We got a couple of the amazing instructors here at KWI, chilling. Some good people, a badass grinder. He does that to help release it because it bends it so tight that it just wants to hug it and keep it in there. So that's the purpose of that.
Show them till they're all done. Tip gotta make them bets on them.
Make bets on them?
I tell them, I ask them, like, why I'm betting. I'm like, you just gonna bet good? They're like, yeah. I'm like,
we won't bet. I heard about that. I heard you be betting them all.
I bet hair, push-ups, beards.
Dang. I heard you did reverse mohawks too.
Yep, reverse mohawks.
Where they just shave it down the middle.
Shave it down the middle.
Never heard of that?
What's up, man?
We got one. This guy right here is starting to bend real good. All right, this is what it looks like, guys. You can notice here. Thank you. Appreciate that, grinder man. That we got no tears. We got no rips. You know, that looks like it, but that's probably like some grind marks. But they got to bend flawlessly. We got to be able to see the weld right here.
Is that a gun on your phone? Yeah, it's my goddaughter. She was named after Kimber Pistols. So when she was born, I bought a Kimber pistol and sent it off. It had her last name engraved in it.
Oh, that's tight.
Yeah, I got a gun tattooed on me too. Oh, I do.
Now you're gonna do tinsel testing.
Yep.
Yeah.
Wait, how many are done like that?
Huh?
What kind of test y'all doing on these things?
These are bend tests right now. This thing's a tinsel tester.
I'll
Also.
stick them in there. That pulls it.
Oh, I thought you said y'all were gonna do tinsel tests. I was like,
Flatten it out.
hey, you want to run?
Watch your language, boy. No, no, you're good. Live for the moment and live for it now. Thanks to my people and thanks to this crowd. You're only gonna get one shot, and that's right now. You can't handle the mic and put it back down. Live for the moment and live for it now. Thanks to my people and thanks to this crowd. You're only gonna get one shot, and that's right now. You can't handle the mic and put it back down. I bury some dark shit, feeling deep. I've kept overwhelmed with thoughts if I should go and motherfucking repent. Too much time lost and so much money spent. Then again, life is precious, so I live it up to the fullest extent. Nobody had my back when I needed someone the most. They all vanished and became ghosts. So I picked up the pieces to see if I could make the most. Thought if I should go and stroll and coast or just stay post, but I chose none of it and I split, losing my mind. I wanna quit all this craziness, but running from my problems never seem to accomplish shit. So I stand my ground and face it. Still tell all my haters to run at my pace, bitch. Better never get in my face and run your lips, because I love to pound shit with my fist. Just keep it real and we'll keep bringing the hits. For y'all who already know, if you my doubt, keep it legit. Stack chips and never quit. Success is built on those who chase their dreams, so go and get it. You can win it. This globe is all about how fast you can spin it. So go after it, never regret it. Yeah, I said it because I fucking meant it. Live for the moment and live for it now. Thanks to my people and thanks to this crowd. You're only gonna get one shot, and that's right now. You can't handle the mic and put it back down. Live for the moment and live for it now. Thanks to my people and thanks to this crowd. You're only gonna get one shot, and that's right now. You can't handle the mic and put it back down.
Raised up in the high, straight from the gutter, no one to decide. Nah, then seep into the bloodstream for the whole team. Now they asking why, who done it? When you run it all, them rotten fucks that came to ball. Illegitimate child, so fuck them all. It's what we're told to hold a righteous call. Stalling for the setbacks, now you know mine for the next track. In the moment I know when I'm blessed that I'm alive, I'm riding bless that. Speechless what you preaching, never reaching for the top. No wonder they drop uniqueness, never to see their weakness. I'm a beast with my mind, discover the rhyme and I'ma let it play. Decisions die twice every day, but evil fucks they gone away. They sinking in this ocean of rap, much less the hip hop. Needless to say they shit flops, too timid to say they shit's not what it is. Yeah, shoulda stick to flipping burgers, that's what it is. Cause they bullshit never lives and true shit never gives. Regardless to say my body will fade away, my words will last for this. Fuck the world and blaze for this, my real motherfuckers, that's what it is.
Live for the moment and live for it now. Thanks to my people and thanks to this crowd. You're only gonna get one shot, and that's right now. You can't handle the mic and put it back down. Live for the moment, live for it now. Thanks to my people and thanks to this crowd.